Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Coco Renee and I am back with another video. I know it's been a minute since I made a real sit down video, but let me tell you, I damaged my Mac computer. I got water damage on that, so I had to order a new computer. If you watched my last video, I edited that video on iMovie on my phone. That's how much I'm dedicated to my channel. It sucked, but I put it up there and you know how that goes. But other than that, I'm back, I'm better. So much has changed, so much is happening. So if you want to know and catch up with your girl Coco Renee, stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm back and I am going to be talking about my business, Empowered Styles. Check out my first video that I ever made introducing Empowered Styles to you guys and my vision of what I want my business and my brand and my online store. I was gonna say shop, but my online shop. Yes, I finally got some new inventory. The last time I ordered inventory was like back last summer, and I sold out of all of my activewear and the outfit, like the top and the bottom set. So I was just really sitting back and focusing on YouTube and trying to become monetized, so I really didn't order anything. And now that I'm monetized, you know, it's time for me to jump back in my bag. And I'm excited to bring to you guys from Empowered Styles these new looks. I mean, it's just a little collection I have coming. I have my winter collection, which I have 3 coats, 2 top and bottom sets that I'm going to show you in this video. Probably put in the clip right here. But yeah, I have a black one and a gray one, and those things are snatch. Like, if you order from Fashion Nova, it's pretty much that material but better, because I also have an outfit from Fashion Nova that's similar, and that material is a little more thinner, but it is going to be stretchy and it's going to hug your body. So that's the point of Empowered Styles. We're going to empower you to shoot for the stars and feel comfortable, strong, and sexy in your attire. That's business, active, or casual. So I'm about to show you the jackets that I got. And I don't think this is going to be like a try on haul, but it might be. The first jacket in Empowered Styles winter collection right here, and it is an olive green. It's a reversible 2-in-1 jacket, which I just want to say the vendor did not put that on the description when I ordered it. I really like the color, I like the length of it, and the pattern as well. Give me like a quilt pattern. Comes in medium, it comes in small, medium, and large, and extra large. Let me see if I move the camera a little bit so you guys. This jacket is so warm, you guys, and it fits so cute. I'm gonna see if I can like walk over here and you guys can get like a better glimpse of it. And I know I was not even planning on doing like a try on. I just wanted to talk about it, but so you can see how it looks. You get a 2-for-1 jacket. You cannot beat this, y'all. Stop playing with me. Yeah, I would definitely layer this with something else. So zip it up for you. Oh yeah, this is cute. This is so cute. What? And it's different, like, ooh. Excuse my little faint cough. I wasn't feeling good either. That's why I wasn't really recording. But I'm back. Tell me what y'all think about this. Like, what y'all rate this one? I think this is one of my favorite ones, to be honest. It's super cute and casual and comfortable. Alright y'all, so that was the first jacket in our winter collection. The olive green quilt 2-in-1 reversible jacket that I think everybody's gonna love. It's so comfortable. The sizes are small to extra large, and I know my plus size models, those are my biggest supporters. I was just telling one of my good friends that my plus size ladies spend money. They're not afraid of $50, $60, $70, $80. They spending that money for the things they love. A vendor that I deal with does only kind of work with small, medium, larges, and there's some items that are extra large, extra large. So I had to go back and get something for my plus size ladies, and this is what I got. This cute light puff jacket, all black with the gold trim, y'all. You cannot play with me. This is from extra large to extra large, 3X up in this building. It has like the little scrunched material, so it's gonna snatch right to your waist, and then it has these two buckles in the back that you can snap to like insinuate that, you know, that little scrunch in the back, have your booty pop out look right there. So I'm not gonna try this one, well, I'm gonna try it on for y'all. I wasn't gonna try it on, but so y'all can see, this one right here is a 2X, and even with a 2X, I think I look cute in it. All right, so this is what we got right here. For it to be a 2X, it's very roomy. I could probably pop this in with like a little hoodie if I really had to. But yeah, it's so cute, roomy. If you a 2X, come holla at your girl. I got you covered, all right, sis? So, the second jacket in EmpowerStyles winter collection. I'm so excited, you guys. This is just like a mini launch. On top of that, hopefully, you know, I applied for a new job and I hope I get it. So I'll be in a new position to invest more in my business. But the reason why I chose this jacket in this color is because back in the day, me and my best friends from around the way, we formed a little club called the Baby Blue Girl. It reminded me of my girls. It reminded me of my childhood. This color is just super cute. I'm gonna try this one on for you guys so you can really see how this jacket looks. It is so cute, y'all. Start off from the back. What? All right. So it is almost like a crop style, but it kind of stops, like, yeah, it's giving me crop vibes. Zipped up all the way. I do like to snap my hoodie, you know, how I do. But yeah, this is the Baby Blue Girls puff blue jacket. It is super cute. This is a medium. I think I would be a medium. They only sent me like mediums and larges. I did ask for small, but I guess that's all good. Y'all, I'm gonna be looking so cute this winter, rocking my EmpowerStyles winter collection, you guys. I'm so happy to be sharing this with you. I'm so happy that my website is going to be up and running November 1st. So hopefully I can edit this weekend and post it on November 1st so you guys can be ready to get that. And the website is going to be www.EmpowerStyles.shop. Don't forget it. It's going to be down in the description. I will be having giveaways. I will be having discounts and deals. So don't forget to put your email down there to subscribe to our email list. Even if you don't buy anything, make sure you put your email down in there. Keep connected with each other. Okay? Hey guys, so what do you think about EmpowerStyles winter collection? Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you want me to have. Tell me the things that you've been seeing. And just keep in touch. Let's interact. I also want to thank everyone who's been supporting me through my journey, my entrepreneurship journey, and actually through my career as well. I have a lot of things going on and I can't wait to make these new videos for you guys and continue to grow and share my life with you, because at the end of the day, we need to see more people like us on these platforms making a difference in real life and on the camera, okay? And that's all I'm trying to do. So don't forget to subscribe, drop a like, comment, and share, because your girl is here to stay. And first of all, can y'all even tell the difference with the camera? I'm using the G7X Canon. This is my dream camera. I wanted this camera when I first started my YouTube channel, but I bought the M50 instead because I wanted to change my lenses. But now that your girl is monetized, we about to start using all type of cameras, all right? So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye.